Let's speak slow English listening and shadowing.
Do you feel like you are learning English, but you still cannot speak well? Do you study every day, but you forget everything quickly? Do you understand English sometimes, but you cannot answer when speaking? You are not alone. Many people around the world feel exactly the same way. They spend months or even years trying to learn English. But something is wrong. It is not because you are not smart. It is not because English is too hard. It is because you are making mistakes. Small mistakes that slow your progress. Today, we will fix that. In this video, you will learn the most common mistakes learners make, and more importantly, you will learn how to fix them. Simple, clear, and easy. No difficult grammar. No complicated methods. Just real English for real life. If you follow these steps, you will feel more confident. You will speak more naturally, and you will improve faster. So take a deep breath. Relax your mind, and let's start learning slow English the right way today. Stay until the end because mistake number 1 is the most important. I always said I was too busy. Too busy to learn English. Every day felt very full. Work, food, sleep, repeat. I woke up early. I came home very tired. My body felt heavy. My mind felt empty. I told myself every night, I will study tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. It was always the same. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Nothing changed. My English stayed the same. One day at work, my manager talked to me. He spoke simple English, but I could not follow. I smiled and nodded, but I did not understand. I felt very uncomfortable and a little ashamed. That moment stayed in my mind all day and all night. I asked myself again, how long will this continue? How long will I stay like this? Always confused and silent. I knew one thing clearly. I had no time problem. I had a priority problem. I did not make time. That truth was painful, but very clear. So I made one decision. A very small one. I will practice 10 minutes daily. No more excuses. Not 1 hour. Not 30 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Every single day. The first day was simple. I sat quietly. I said one sentence. I'm learning English. It felt strange. But I continued. Next day I did again. 10 minutes only. I spoke about my day. Simple and slow. I said I am working now. I am very tired. Small sentences. Nothing special. But I did not stop. I kept going. Even when I was tired. Even when I felt lazy. I still did 10 minutes. No excuse anymore. After 1 week, something changed. It felt easier. Less strange. After 2 weeks, I spoke more naturally. After 1 month, I felt more confident. I still worked long hours. Nothing changed outside. But something changed inside. My mindset changed. I stopped waiting for time. I started making time. I used small moments. Everywhere in my day. While walking. I spoke in my head. While eating. I described my food. While driving. I said simple sentences. English became part of my life. Not something separate. That was the key change. Not more time, but better use of time. That changed everything. Then I added listening. Short and simple audio. 5 minutes here. 5 minutes there. No pressure. Just consistency. Slowly I understood more. My ears became better. Then speaking improved more. Everything connected together. Then one day at work, something different happened. My manager spoke again. Same simple English. This time I understood. Not everything, but enough. And I answered. Slow but clear. That moment felt amazing. Very simple but powerful. I realized something important. I was not too busy. I was just not consistent. That was the real problem. Now I still work every day. I'm still busy. But I never skip practice. Even 10 minutes. Because I know small effort works. You do not need perfect schedule. You need small daily action. You do not need free time. You need commitment. 10 minutes every day can change your life. Now I want to tell you, if you feel too busy, if you always say, I have no time, stop for a moment and think again. Do you really have no time? Or no priority? Start with 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. No pressure. No big plan. Just start today. Right now. Say one sentence. I'm learning English. Tomorrow do it again. And again. Small action every day creates real change. Now take a deep breath. Relax your body. Say this with me. I have time today. Again, say it slowly. I will start now. One more time. 10 minutes every day. Do not wait anymore. Your time is now.
Follow me. Slow English. Listening and shadowing.